I've been trolling Charles and Justin all day with this song. It's been stuck in my head. Paler are blaming you.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
It's nothing a little music can't help.
Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke me in my head. Not fun, said seagulls. Stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come poke me in the coconut. And they did. And they did. And I'm like, but yeah, when these birds attacked me, when I tried to run I fell, then these kids start laughing, then hitting the neck with a haggy sack. Where'd it come from? Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Run, 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 jump, and stop. Put down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah. Dance moves.
No, I don't
want you to do that. Could your giant feet out there on the beach. Could I outrun those birds?
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater. Please.
Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man. Quit that thing.
And with that sank, you put a fish in our basket. Oh yeah, I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see. When time is right, birds will bite your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Box with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe.
That's good.
Just like that.
Like that.
One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath I was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child.
Listen, boy.
Someday, when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, come help me please. Seagulls, poke your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
You didn't like it?
Didn't like it?
Listen, man. I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
Chill.